Thursday, October 9th, 2025, U.S. Market Recap. U.S. markets closed lower on Friday as investors took profits ahead of the third quarter earnings season starting next week, with a lack of clear market catalysts weighing on sentiment. The S&P 500 fell 0.28%, while the U.S. 10-year Treasury yield rose 3 basis points to 4.14%. The AI rally that has driven markets recently faced renewed scrutiny, with valuation concerns around big tech reigniting bubble debates and dampening investor enthusiasm. Despite the broader market weakness, NVIDIA bucked the trend, climbing nearly 2% to a new all-time high, with Oracle also posting solid gains. Keith Lerner of Truist noted, "While parts of the market appear overheated, overall investor sentiment doesn't reflect the excessive optimism typically seen at market tops. However, after an extended rally without meaningful correction, markets may be more sensitive to negative surprises." Craig Johnson of Piper Sandler advised, "It's prudent to maintain caution on stocks that have risen excessively in the short term." With the federal government shutdown entering its 9th day and major economic data releases suspended, market focus has shifted to third-quarter corporate earnings and Fed monetary policy direction. Fed officials remain divided on the path forward. Governor Michael Barr expressed caution about additional rate cuts, while New York Fed President John Williams supported further easing based on labor market weakness. As markets enter a consolidation phase ahead of earnings season, the sustainability of the AI rally has emerged as a key question. While experts warn of potential corrections, there's general consensus that solid corporate earnings continue to support market fundamentals. Geopolitical factors also drew attention. With a meeting between President Trump and President Xi Jinping scheduled for later this month, China announced new export restrictions, lifting U.S. rare earth and critical mineral stocks. President Trump responded by saying he could handle it well, but added that if necessary, the U.S. would halt imports from China. Looking ahead to Friday, October 10th, 2025, here are the key events. 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, Fed Chair Powell speaks. 1 p.m. Eastern Time, U.S. 30-year bond auction.